Hi, baby. So here's my bed. I'm sleeping. Isn't it a cool little tent? Isn't that fun? So this is where me and little Robin Birdie have been sleeping. See our little birdie. Good morning. Hi. Hi. Good morning. Good morning on day 3 of your life out of the nest. Look at your stunning. Look at your chest. Oh, it's so stunning. You're so stunning, baby. Yes, you are. So I put her up in here. She's not getting off my finger, but she's actually going after the leaf. So that's good. She was actually trying to eat those couple leaves.
She's still sleeping.
Let's see if she, oh, yay, good girl, baby. You hear the other birdies. Your head pops up. Your head pops up when you hear the other birdies. Let's go walk around, see where else we're gonna go. Let's see where else we're gonna go. Where else you wanna go, buddy? The whole world is your playground. The whole world is your playground. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Come on.